Hi, good morning. This is Lee. This video is about a performance of another setup for our Mammoth PMC strategy. This is to run on a market replay data for the last 30 days to see how it works. Now, the strategy target is 3 ticks and stop loss at 39 ticks. This is beyond crazy, right? Because risk to reward is way too much. But we'll see because we're scalping. All right, we're scalping 3 ticks out of gold. Starting time is 08 a.m. Central, and daily profit target is 438. Why is it so low? Because we're trading 10 contracts. Why is it so low? Because well, as long as you don't go above the total amount of money that you'll make out of 10 contracts for that day, we are expecting to trade 2 trades for that day, sometimes 1 or sometimes 2. And daily loss is $1,200. And if we hit 1 loss, 10 contracts will be $3,900. You will be done. I'm not gonna be trading. We're trading a April contract, and right here the order fill resolution is 1 tick higher than the high of the closing bar, and 10 contracts. Okay, well, we're gonna enable it, apply. Make sure the strategy is applied right here. Good. Now, okay, let's see. The reason we were talking about why it's crazy, we only capture 3 ticks, but the risk is 39 ticks, is that to explain to you is this strategy basically capture the reversal, the trend after the reversal happens. The short trend, like short. Say this is a reversal bar for a long trend right here. Once this reversal bar happen, the reversal bar means that this continual bar, this bar opens right here and opens right here normally as a unirangle bar. It keeps on going up. It went up until at this point it did not reach 10 ticks. The high of this bar, the open of this bar is 1821.7. High is the 22.9. So it didn't reach the closing price. So it starts going down until it closes right here. We have this reversal bar happened. Now, because this reversal bar happened, the second bar has to be formed to confirm this reversal. Once this bar is formed, our entry will be right here after the filter is confirm this entry. And the entry is 1 ticket below of this low of this bar, 1818.7. The entry is 1818.6, right? And then we're capturing 3 ticks means that the third bar, actually the second bar after the reversal bar, it needs to be formed to basically guarantee to hit the profit. However, the close of this bar, the bar is at 1818.2. We don't need to get to 1818.2. We just need to get to 1818.1 to capture. I'm sorry, 3 to capture the 3 ticks, right? So the profit at 1818.3, which is the low is 1818.2. So 1818.3 is the tick above the closing bar. That's what we are doing. That's scalping basically, 3 ticks. Now we need to have a third bar to at least to go down 3 ticks. Vice versa for the long. Now this long, why there's no trade here happening? Because we already hit the daily target, which is we have 2 trades. First one here, second one here. It's not gonna continue to trade. Let's say if we only had this trade, that one's filtered out. Then we're waiting for the second trade. This trade is not doable because, well, it's not. It might be tradable, but the strategy is not trading anymore. We hit a daily target. So, anyways, I hope this explanation can help you to understand why we are doing this crazy risk to reward setup. All right. But in the start time of this strategy is 8 a.m. Central Time, means that we are going to avoid all the major news releases at 7:30 Central Time. But there are still some news releases around 9 a.m. Central Time, you can always manually adjust if you see that news is impact, and then you can adjust the trading time to 9:05 or even later, or even way before. So this was just set at 8 o'clock Central Time for this strategy to run. Let's run max speed from the 27th. There we go. 10 contracts. It's gonna run pretty fast. The market replay data is 95% accurate. So okay, we
Target filled.
The 27th done. Well, not done yet, because if there's another trade, it can be done. Okay, done. For the 27th, this trade is done. No more trade because the trading time is past. Now we're going to the 28th.
Target filled.
We caught one winner. Well, you see that we sell at this two parts of this entire order. 3 got filled at 28, 7 got filled at 27.9. So that's the reason. That's why we have, because we have 10 contracts. That's why we have this partial filled for the entire order. See the same thing. Partially filled.
Target filled.
Closed. Same thing as this one, because the market is flying. Not flying, I'm sorry, because we're at the max speed, but normally it just gonna oscillate this way and that way, and then you get filled. There's only 3 ticks. Based on this trend, there's no way you get stopped out. You'll get filled for sure. Now this is a chop.
Target filled.
Trade, and then we got a trade right here. And done for the day. That day is very choppy. You look at this, not good look trend, but we just need the 3 bars. One first reversal, second confirmation, third is target. So this one.
Target filled.
Filled. Partially filled, and then also the other parts filled. We had a good trade. That is the 3rd of March. Now we head into the weekend, and then on Monday we'll start trading again. Let's see. So far we have this P&L, and it's still not solid because market will change, and if you hit a stop loss, you'll be in negative territory. It's a high risk and a low reward type of setting. People don't like it. They think it's crazy. I think it's crazy too. But I trust the strategy. Well, let's see. Get into chop. Now trend's happening. It should have a reversal right here. Well, we don't have a trade for that day, unfortunately. That's the 6th of March. Missing a day. Missing that day means good because you have no loss. Now we'll get into the 7th of March. I'll get 1 trade and 2
Target
trades
filled.
done for the day. The strategy will stop trading at this moment. At this time. We're done for that day, and then the market is going to run still on the 7th, midnight. Now we get into the 8th of March. I think that there's a news release on the 10th of March, something like
Target filled.
CPI, I believe. CPI is pretty heavy. Non-farm payroll is not as heavy as CPI, but still, you want to avoid it. There you go. We're getting to the 9th of March.
Target filled.
Trade. No more. Because the time is gone. Time is passed. Right here. 12:42. 11:32. Filtered this trade out. Now we get into the 10th of March. Yeah, 10th. Watch. I believe there's a right here. Yeah, there's a news release. The market's oscillating like crazy. The filter basically will not find a good trade, and 10th is avoided. Well, no trade's no good. I mean, no trade's good, right? Now we get into the 11th. Almost there. Halfway, no? 12. I think the 12 is the 12 is Sunday. Yes, Sunday. Okay. 13th. Market's really trading fast. Okay.
Target filled.
We had two winners on the 13th, done for the day. Okay. I'm gonna have an apple.
Target
Okay, I'm
filled.
gonna stop right here. I'm gonna show you something. With the 14th, there must be a news release right here. 7:30. See that timestamp right here. 7:30. One bar. Went nuts. 7:30 until here. 7:31. In 1 minute, we have that many bars. You don't want to trade in this territory. Still continue oscillating until 8 o'clock, like 7:44 ish, and then the market's getting back to normal. So we had two trades. This is a particular scenario that I explained earlier. Is that the third bar was going to form, but didn't form at all. I mean, yeah, didn't form, but we caught that 3 ticks right there. The reason we had 10 failed and 10 failed because the market, the volume is still pretty good at this time. So, well, let's continue. Well,
Target filled.
2 trades are done for the 15th. It's 5 o'clock in the morning.
Target filled.
Interesting. Let's stop right here. I didn't see that one. I was trading at the time. I believed that I got filled at once, but for this market replay, it's partially filled. At this moment, this bar is really flying. We enter here, short, filled here. Yeah, because we'll have a 39 ticks as a stop. So I believe at this point it's 37 ticks. We were 2 ticks away to get stopped out for this trade. This one is not normal, but it will happen in the future. Just be aware. But rare. Okay. All right. Let's continue.
Target filled.
All right, 2 trades for 17th. We got right. 18th is Saturday. 19th is Sunday. No trade. Market is not open. Well, it's gonna open in the afternoon on Sundays. Now you see, that's Sunday evening. Now we're on to Monday, the 20th. The market's gonna trade based on the strategy settings.
Target filled.
Done for that day, the 20th. Bear with me. Almost there. We're on the 21st.
Target filled.
21st we'll have 2 trades. These 2 trades are solid. No funny stuff. No any uncertainties. No nail biting. We're on to the 22nd.
Target filled.
For that. Partially filled and eventually fill the whole thing. 22nd is done. No trade. Now we move on to the 23rd in the morning. Yes, 23rd. We can look at the time.
Target.
Got 2 trades.
Target filled.
Yeah. 23rd is done. 23rd is Thursday. Yeah. You can see there's some sort of a news going on.
Target filled.
24th is done. 2 trades. Now, wow, wait a minute. 25th. Wow, close. Saturday, 25th Saturday, and the 26th and Sunday. Now we're going to the last week of this month. So far, we're good. As crazy as it is, 10 contracts. That's big because as a retail trader, if you trade with your own account, 10 contracts are pretty good amount of margin money you need to put in your account. 20,000, you need 20,000 to trade 10 accounts at least minimum. Okay.
Target filled.
27th, we got 2 trades done. We're at the profit of $7,800 after commission. I'm getting to 28th. 2 trades
Target filled.
done. We're at $8,300 profit after commission. Now we get into 29th. Any news? Yes. I think yesterday we had a jobless report which I don't think it's gonna
Target filled.
affect that much of the market.
Target filled.
There we go. Cool. This one is cool. Oh, scary. Look at that. That's from yesterday at 11:40. Okay, we had an entry at 1966.1. I didn't trade yesterday though. No, I did. Didn't trade this setup. I traded the other setup, but look at that. The low is 1962.6. Okay. Yeah. 2 ticks away from being stopped out. This leg is really long. Oh. Okay. That's fine, I guess. Alright. We'll get into the 30th.
Target filled.
That's today. Caught one trade. Okay, we're gonna stop this market replay. So, and let's just recap. I'll go to strategy performance, real time and historical. Based on this, we have all winners. We caught. We had a profit of 9,000. Okay. We have 122 trades from the 23rd and 30th. It's ratio average win over average over average loss is 83.21. Of course, profit factor is 100% because there's no loss. Now, it's crazy. Okay, put it that way. I just looked at Apex founding company's information that you might have the opportunity to use this strategy for what's that? They have the 150K account that you can purchase for like $300 to practice, which is not bad. Good. You just risk $200 to practice to get this strategy going. The reason there's several important parts we have to mention is that the trading time is 8 a.m. Central Time to avoid news, all kinds of things. And here you have to click this box, check this box to fill limit orders on touch. It has to be checked, no doubt. And the rest is just fine. So, anyways, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment or message me, or find me. I can explain things to you. Again, this is the setup for 3 ticks as profit and 39 ticks as a loss. Thank you for watching.